What's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Kirah. I just wanted to start this video out by saying hey girl, hey. It is a Tuesday afternoon. It's actually nighttime and I've been working all day. That's why I got my blue light lenses on, because girl, staring at that screen, I gotta have my eyes right. They already messed up. But anyways, so today I'm gonna be doing a little DIY project tonight, and I just wanted to show y'all the process because this is gonna be new to me too. I really wanted to test my creative level, you know, and why not? Because tomorrow I'm filming a loungewear video, and I wanted this outfit to be in the video because like it's something you can do at home, possibly, maybe, depending on how this turns out. So anyway, so if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I gotta hurry up and get to Walmart because y'all know stores close early right now, so I gotta hurry up. So yeah, so let's head to Walmart. I just wanted to do a little intro, so let's do it. Y'all, look at the stencils. So tonight I'm probably gonna make the stencils so they're ready for tomorrow. Ooh, I'm going to eat my food, watch something, and probably start on tomorrow's video. So yeah, and then make these stencils. So I'll probably talk to y'all back once I start the stencils and see how they come out, because I want them to be good. Shit. Hey y'all, it's the next day, so I'm about to get started on the DIY project for today, and I'm pretty excited about it. So I have my little stencils out and shit. I kind of think they might be too big, but I'm gonna, when I start the bleach process, I'm gonna follow like that. I hope these aren't too big for this because I wanted to, you know, flow. But anyways, I'm gonna trace it on this thick white material found in the art section at Walmart, and I'm just gonna trace it on here. And yeah, I'm gonna do that for all of them. So let's see how this go.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money and a thing. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if this with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money and a thing. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide.
So y'all, if y'all are gonna do this, you really need to get this box cutter thing. Let me see, this is what it's called. I got this in the art section where the paints are at. Look how easy it was for me to cut this out. I'm gonna use this to cut this whole thing out. I need a dig. Okay.
I only come out when the stars out.
I'm on a mission, but we fall out. Just sitting talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. Fuck that nigga. Drop it, give me 50, girl, drop it, give me 50. Reach slide with me, cause you be trippin' when you miss it. You go hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up this piece of the brand new ride.
God damn, 5 million hours later, but I did okay. So now I'm about to head to the basement so I can start bleaching, because girl, this shit really took all day. Oh my god, oh my god. I need a fucking snack. Oh god, I look crazy, but my skin looking good though. She glowy though. I'm so proud of her. I'm proud of you, girl. But anyways, I'm about to go to the basement and do this. I need to grab a snack first, but let's do it. Okay, so I'm about to start with the pants first and then the shirt. So like I said, I'm just gonna go by this pattern. So basically, well, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be using these little brushes to get the lines precise and everything. And then here go my bleach. This better work or I'm gonna be fucking pissed. It's an extra large. Like, I don't know what I was thinking, but it's okay because it's gonna be oversized as fuck. I should have put Louis Vuitton on the booty. I should put it on the butt cheeks. Oh my god, that would be so cute. Like the 2 LVs on the butt cheeks. I think I'm gonna do that. But let me start with this leg. So I think I want like a LV right there. That'll be cute. And then I'm just gonna go all over. I'm just gonna go crazy, but I'm gonna do the LV first just to see what it do. So I got this little bleach pen, so I'm gonna see if this is good to like outline it first. I actually would rather just use the fucking brush, because this is just gonna go everywhere and I don't like that. Nah, I'm finna just use the brush, but it is dyeing it. So I'm just gonna, cause when you squirt it, it's like squirting in big blotches, so it's hard to keep it straight if you can't see that. But so I'm gonna just take a little small brush and then trace this. Carol Bass killed her husband. Whack. So I just wanted to show y'all the incorrect way to do this. So I had to start over. So don't leave bleach sitting on top of it like this, because it just gets messy and the bleach tends to smudge and keeps on moving throughout the fabric. So don't do it like this. And the next couple clips I'm going to show you the correct way. So yeah, girl. So with the technique, you want to just use regular bleach, put it in a little bucket, bowl, whatever. Use a small brush and wipe off excess bleach on it, so you're getting a thin layer of bleach on the brush, and then fill in the lines and trace so it doesn't smudge. It's more neater and you get more of the shape that you want. Okay, y'all, so it's been a few days. I'm just finishing up the pants, and what was I finna say? Oh, just a tip on this: when you're doing this, you wanna make sure when you're painting the inside, it's not excess bleach on it. So before you like color it in, just put some off and then fill it in. But yeah, this is how it's coming. This is the front. I finished the back already, and I'm just gonna do that other leg and then start on the shirt, and then I'm gonna show y'all the whole fit once it's done. Okay, period. It is the next day after yesterday, so it's Sunday and yesterday was Saturday. So I'm just about to show y'all the pants. I just got done with the pants and I'm about to do the shirt. I got these glasses on because I look a mess and I was editing on my computer. And these are my blue light lenses. I think I said it in the beginning of the vlog, but let me show y'all the pants. I think they look so good. So these are it. Oh my god, they turned out fire. So I'm about to do the shirt now. And yeah, I'm pretty proud of it. Even though this does take a while, don't get discouraged. You know, if you gotta keep trying over and over, yeah, so be patient with this. So I'm about to start the shirt, and then yeah, so let's get it.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like oh yeah, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass in the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it, none of these niggas If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of I ain't no player, I just had a lot of play. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, man. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, man. You want the shit with the red at the bottom, man. You know I like when you right at the top, man. She want champagne, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promos. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty, 'cause I don't do facade. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you wanna do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like oh yeah.
Y'all, why is my friend so cute? Okay, now we're on to the front. So I think I'm gonna do another LV like right here, and make sure like you use your stencils before you even start tracing anything, because you don't want to, you know, make no mistakes. But I'm probably gonna put like a LV right here, like place it out, and then one of these things right here in the middle between this. Ugh, girl, do not break. And then I'll probably put another one right there. So I gotta move this down some. But yeah, y'all, we making progress. I probably won't show y'all the final until, well, after I wash the top, so it probably won't be till tomorrow. So let's do it. So this is the fit, the final reveal. I just paired it with these Yeezy slides. They're so comfortable. And then I put on this necklace from Name Me Glow. If you want to use my code Kirah O for 10% off, you can. That's where I get all my jewelry from, in these. And yeah, girl, so if you are like, you know, want to just test your craft, go ahead and try this out. It was so easy but so long to do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go follow me on my social media so you can see the flick, okay? And yeah, so I love y'all so much, and yeah, girl, and I'll see y'all next video. Bye.